What I want, you've got, and it might be hard.
Oh my god. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping on the floor. What a fucking idiot. Look at this. What am I doing with my life? Idiot. Lame. Fuck. God, I suck. Loser. Look out, folks. Man sleeping on the floor. Hillary Blackwood from 4th grade was right. I am a loser. You're in your 30s. How can you be sleeping on the floor? What the fuck is wrong with you? Get it together. You should have kept your job. You are the biggest loser on planet Earth. Get your life together. Who do you think you are? Look at you walking around.
Hey! Shut up! You want to know why I'm living on the floor? Sleeping on the floor? I'll tell you why I'm sleeping on the floor. So when I was a kid, I thought the coolest job in the world would be to make movie trailers. I loved going to the movies, and just for the previews themselves, it was like such an anticipation, an emotional roller coaster of like what was to come. And if I missed the previews, it was like not even worth going to the movies. As I grew up, I didn't follow my dreams. I started getting distracted by things in life like partying and girls and money, and I was going after those instead. And what happened was I continued looking for something that would give me a passionate life. I was searching. I was so on this relentless pursuit to find something that would give my life passion and meaning. Can we stop with the Forrest Gump music? Thank you. Anyway, want to see something? Despite being on this relentless pursuit, what happened was that I was afraid of actually making a choice. And so I didn't want to make the wrong decision. I didn't want to choose something that have me suck at it or not make enough money or something. And so I was working jobs that I wasn't interested in, and time just kept going on and nothing was happening. Luckily, I was still pursuing video on the side. I happened to be working for a friend of mine, doing some video work for him, and he really liked what I was doing. 2 months ago, he offered me a gig. He would pay me a part-time wage, and I would have to move down to the Bay Area, Berkeley, California. And this was the hardest decision I ever had to make, because I was making great money, I was working with a bunch of friends, I was enjoying my life. However, the career side, I wasn't like fully in. It was great, but it wasn't something that I was like really driven to succeed in. So what did I decide to do? Well, I ended up moving down to the Bay Area of California and taking this very part-time, very low-paying video job in the pursuit of something that I know is gonna be fun, and I've already had a blast doing it. The truth is that I'm freaking out. I am terrified. I also have a full-time job that I landed down here to pay the bills, but it's commission only, and I have no idea how much money I'm gonna be making. So yeah, I'm freaking out a little bit. I'm really excited, but I wanted to make this because I wanted to keep myself accountable and share this journey with you guys about going from very amateur, wannabe video and film producer to professional film and video producer.
So there you have it, my children, the tale of why I've been sleeping on the floor. Make sure to stay tuned. There'll be more stories for you along the way. And pay attention, you just might learn something for yourselves. Good night. Wow.